A quick diving into GBPUSD. On a daily time frame, we like to see the various SR levels and make a buy prediction based on the movement of price and its structure. I do like to first of all see where we'll have the breaker structure from the high and look at where we have a strong retest and noting the pattern on daily. GU is making some significant gain, but the gain is stilled by break and retest. We have a support structure here with a possible return. Support structure in 2023 is a nice floor for retest if price makes its way here. A return into this level will be a buy position. But for now, let's look at a trend and see where GU is going from here. GU could return to this level for a buy on a daily time frame. So, well, as this is a long-term trend line. So let's see if GU can return to this level. Here we have yes, support structure SR, support become resistance and breaker structure, and we have here again support become resistance and breaker structure, and we have another SR level at this level. So we have three SR levels to watch. So if price makes a return into this level, it will be a significant buy. So let's see what price does from here. So this GU. So on the floor, we call this demand floor, the daily demand floor. Where we could potentially see some buy opportunity if price makes a return to the level. We'll be hoping for a potential buy opportunity on the floor. So we have bought once and we have bought twice, and the third is a third buy. So let's see if price going to return for the third time. So these are three buys I gave birth to the trend line, which we are going to call ATL, ascending trend line. Trend line can be ascending, trend line can be descending. So in this case, we have an ascending trend line, ATL. And price trading above the ascending trend line is on demand. Trading below the line is on supply. So GU on technical is on demand. We would like to look at if we have other structures that further puts GU on the map. Let's see if we have other structures on daily. We have here a resistance structure, and have another nice structure here, which can also bring price to our zone. So we are missing out a lot of price actions in this line, and that will be against the strategy because the potency of every trend line is on its ability to hold many points. So if it misses many points, then we might not be interested in it. So we have here a break and a retest, after which we're going to catch that daily break and retest, break out of structure, break out of structure, retest. So this is a very strong psychological move for GU with a potential buy opportunity if price makes its way to this level. I will patiently be waiting. So let's look at the structure and we'll see how it affects sellers in the long run. As sellers are pushing the price down, GU buying potential will lie on this roof. A broken roof is a demand floor based on our demand and supply strategy. So we have this structure on radar. After the break of structure, price came back, retested, broke the structure, and came down to another strong support level, which held price firmly. We have here a support structure that have sustained price. This will be our evidence that if price makes its way to this level, then it stands a big chance of holding support. So all the evidence we have against GU shows that GU is technically on demand phase. So we are looking for the most accurate buy opportunity on daily. Daily buyers, weekly and monthly, hold a very strong price action. It influences trade directional buyers in a way that can grow or destroy trading equity. So when we come to chart looking at demand and supply as our concept, we look at daily demand and supply on the daily. And this strategy, we do not really pay attention too much on candle types because every candle type play in a structure. So on overall, what we are looking at is the structure, the candle type you have in mind playing into. So if we have a head and a shoulder and we have a bullish engulfing, we have a teaser top, we have a hanging man inside the structure, it doesn't really matter. What is important is the structure of the market. Then in the structure of the market, begin to look at various candles that occurred in the structure. So structure will always be the key. So GU on technical, we expect GU to play into this box. We expect GU. So it should come with a week where we have from 2023, we have a price action, a resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, price return, on retest. I would like to call it demand so that we'll see in the future how many times price reacted here on a buy footnote. So come here, we bought twice. And after the break of structure, price playing in the zone, price return to buying potential, affirming that this is a strong ascending trend line with a probability to buy and sell. It's buying if price is trading above it and selling if price is trading below it. So we want GU to give us a push down, and from the top we also look at other support structure. We have here support And let's see, this is a resistance structure. So we see how GU will ultimately play into our setup. Every setup is a trap. So we see how GU, resistance structure, break out of resistance structure, retest, and let's see, let's see what GU will do here. I like this structure to be like this. Resistance structure, break out of resistance structure, price return here, on demand. So if GU plays into this box, that would be a nice, we have a structure here. We have a structure here. So let's see how we play into this. And let's see what. Perfect. Perfect. So we expect GU to continue to play down. We continue to play down. So where we have another structure, remember all we pay attention is the structure price movement. Price movement is price movement. It is what it is. So in the long run, all we do is to monitor the price movement and see it from demand and supply perspective, and possibly see when there is an validation perspective. So here we have a descending trend line, breakout and retest, and when we clone it, bring it to the floor where we have our demand. So we expect G to play down once more. The play down once more will align with the support structure with a potential opportunity to see buy at this level. So if we play down a little bit, let's take this out. We'll dark it. So let's see to dark. So the playing into this level will attract buying. So we want price to play into this level. If it plays into this level, that will be a buy. That will be a buy for GU. So if price plays into this level, it will be a buy for GU. We want it to come down to here. So if we come down into this box, then let's be very specific on our buy on daily. If we come into the box, our buy is going to be, let's say GU comes into this box today and we'll have a bullish move. GU can drop significantly to this level, and this is a nice level. This is a nice level for price to drop. So if you find price in this zone, take a buy. This level is good for GU. So if GU can come to this box, break the structure, then get liquidity, price reacts at this level, might trigger and ultimately bring price to the floor. So if price comes to the floor, that will be a good opportunity for a buy. But at this level, one more return, which is a break of a previous Tuesday low, break of a Tuesday low, will attract, will be on the same support structure. support structure 1, support structure 2. So break up Tuesday low, we set up a buy, a temporary day buy. Now from there, we'll now see if it is possible for the structure to be broken. If the supply structure is broken, then price will see liquidity at this level. So I'll change the color to green. So this is where you begin to see your buy opportunity for GU. So GU movement is very clean. We like the movement. Then on a broader perspective, we expect price to play into this ascending trend line. So in the future, if price comes down here, that will be a potential buy. So if price manage to make its way into this level, then we begin to look out for buy opportunity at this level. It makes sense to wait for price if GU can come back to a psychological demand floor. This is a daily psychological demand floor. So if price returns here, it makes sense to be on the buy trigger side. So it's all about patience. Will it come here? Yes, there's a probability that price will tap into that zone. And when it comes there, it will end up in buy. You can see what price have done. Buy, buy, buy. So if price returns here after so many years, it makes sense to pick GU here on the buy footnote. So we'll be looking at other economic data that might be in favor of USD to further bring price to a strong buy potential level. So that's what we have for GU at the moment.